Hi Aries, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. This is a mid month reading for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for Aries in the Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Aries. Okay. With lots of sword energy. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Judgment card, Aries. Some of you could be going through a dilemma about whether to go ahead with a certain plan, whether to choose somebody, whether to choose a particular career, also about relocation. But you are going to be getting some kind of clarity when it comes to your thought, and it is going to lead you to a lot of prosperity, health, wealth, happiness, empowerment. You could be dealing with a Libra or a Virgo person. Some kind of legal issue reaches its conclusion, and that will be in your favor, Aries. If you're fighting a legal battle, the verdict will be in your favor. I think in the recent past, Aries, something happened to you that pushed you into isolation. You wanted to be on your own, and now that you all gotten so rejuvenated, you know exactly what you want. You're being this leader that you weren't before. You may get a message about this legal battle that you're fighting, and it's going to be a good news. Yes, it was a battle. People have been deceptive to you, and you will be getting what you truly deserve, Aries. If you were asking for a custody, you will get it. If you were asking for a share in somebody's property or in your own property, Aries, you will get it. Whatever is due to you, you are going to get it. Because I feel this has been a very fair battle from your side, and you only deserve fairness. Lots of sword energies. Somebody wants your attention, Aries. It could be a younger person, could be a male or a female, but here it's a male, so an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. Probably you were fighting this legal battle with this person, or this is somebody who's been trying to help you, Aries. But I feel this person is absolutely loyal to you, and the moment you do win this battle and you start your new life after this, it's all going to fall into place, and whatever you've been through will seem like a dream, Aries. Yeah, something did happen which was, it pushed everything down. Whatever, I feel you guys have gone through something terrible, Aries, when it comes to your brain, like not like a brain injury or anything, but a lot of mental turmoil you've been through. Yeah, somebody wants to offer you a new beginning. Now, this could be a reconciliation with somebody you've known, somebody you have had feelings for, but for some reason it didn't work out. But now is the time for things to fall into place. Aries, let's see some extra messages for you. These messages may or may not be directly related to your tarot, so take them however they resonate with you. The situation will improve. Make a date for a play day with one or more friends. Friendship is important at this time. Probably this person is your friend who is trying to help you. You're a part of a team of souls. If you need support, Aries, don't hesitate to call for it. There are people out there who are willing to help you. Take their help. Illumination, number 2 could be important. Even 6 and 9 could be important. Whatever was hidden from you will come to light, Aries. No more secrets. A fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. Work through your fears. Nothing is yet set in stone. It's time to release negativity and surrender to the divine. Wow. Scorpio, Aries could be important. Libra could be important. Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be important. Hope is the conduit for miracles. If you don't hope for something to work out, Aries, it never will. I would like to dedicate this beautiful jade stone to you, Aries, so that you get the calmness that you truly deserve in life. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Aries. Thank you for watching. Bye.